Yo, hey, welcome here. Welcome to the Unraw, Fernando Unraw's fumarketing.com. Hey, today I want to talk to the brand spanking new onliners. Is that even a name? Today's topic is going to be how to make a domain name. And I would like you to understand the difference between a domain name and a website, because there's a difference between it, right? Here, I'm going to plainly explain it to you in layman's terms, what I think it'll be understandable. Domain name is the John. If your name was to be John, I would call you John. That's your domain name, right? So John would be you, right? But it doesn't explain you at all. It's just your name. Like John does not explain diddly squat. You are John. That's right. Johnny boy, that kind of stuff, right? That's what you are. So they can call you nicknames. They can call you anything like Johnny boy, Johnny be good, all that stuff, right? But that's essentially what it is. It's like John is your name. Now the website, that's your character. The website, but it has to be connected, right? Johnny and the character are connected, because when I say Johnny, I'm thinking of the guy that plays volleyball, that loves the beach, that loves candies, that loves chocolate on the beach kind of thing, right? That's character, right? So that would be the website. So when you look at Johnny is nobody. Well, he is somebody, but it's like, yeah, Johnny, right? If you look at a stranger Johnny, right? Now, if you know Johnny, he is Johnny, the guy at the beach, the guy that likes candies, the guy that, all these things. That's what we call branding. So you want to make sure when you first get started, think of those things. And I want to give you a couple of tips here, what you can look for. And let me go over to my screen. I have my laptop below here. So if I go down, it's not that I'm falling asleep. Don't go away. I'm going to give you helpful tips. Today, we're going to be helpful, because you are going to see what I do to get my name out there. So what we want to start with first, let me go here. This is my first step for you guys. Namecheap domain creation. Namecheap is the name where I create names for my websites or for whatever I do. If I promote one program, for instance, it's Forex, it'll have a Forex-ish kind of name. If I present to you a different program like affiliate marketing, it'll have a different name-ish, right? A different domain name. So when you look at the program, you have to create something that is congruent. You want to stay with it. So as I said before, and remember, a domain name is just a name, like Johnny, for instance, like Johnny. I'm not trying to make this long, and he likes candy, beach, and all that, right? So the website is different than a domain name. The website can be way different. Okay, number one, what purpose do you want to give it? Like, do you want to train dogs? Do you want to train a donkey? Do you want to train a cat? Do you want to feed a cat? You know what? It can be very simple. Do you want to make money online? It's like a big niche out there, right? Do you want to get fit and you want to help others? You want to show them how? Find a domain that resonates with your goal, your end goal. Google search. Okay, now that we're talking about Google search, I want to switch to a little bit like that. Ooh, I like that red dot. Yes, that's right. Now, we want to go to Google Trends. Let's take Google Trends, for instance. Let's copy this thing. And I'll paste it in my Google bar right here. Google Trends. That one, enter. Voila, we got lots of things happening, but we want to go Google Trends, that one. Totally the wrong one. No, that's totally the right one. Okay, good. How to train dogs. If we write that in there, Google will look at searches that have been done in the last month. Anything above 25 is good. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's like 75, you know, only touches at 54 at one point, and then it goes up. Like, this is a highly, highly researched subject. Now, if you make a domain according to this, or this is something your niche you're going into, you need to know this before you go in there. Now, let's see if you have to go like cats food. Let's see what that does. Now, maybe that's the problem, because I put it together like that. Cat food. Boom, same thing, right? We're above 75. Guess what? Cats win. Just saying. No, they don't win. Okay, now let's go something way different. Make money online. Let's see. Oh my goodness, so it's up there too. Now, the funny part about everything else is also as well. See, they will still, because I put in United States, right? And it's 12-month search. It'll show you where the bigger searches are, like West Virginia, Mississippi, 95, Arkansas, stuff like that. Now, there's related topics. You can go related topic. This means you can really narrow it down what you want to do with your business, or what business is good for you. Okay, this is one subject I'd like you to research. Next one is KWFinder.com, right? Copy this, or just write it down in your Google bar. Like, I have another Google set up here. Okay, KWFinder.com. We don't want to just KWFinder, we want a .com. See, because this is also a tool, but they charge you for it, right? Now, KWFinder will find stuff for you. You can write anything in here. You know what? Obviously, I have done some research. That's why I got all of these little suggestions here. And let's say make money. Let's do make money, because I searched it before. Okay, here it is. This is a free product. You can do 5 searches within 24 hours. I've overdone my searches, so I can't do more searches, but I can go back in the searches that I had before. So make money is this: 4,378 searches. How long ago were they? See, those are the searches. See, and then when you Google SEO, like Google will put your name up top. It is possible, because it is like, that's what it says here. It is possibly to SEO this keyword, because it's not that highly sought after. Now, when you look at this guy here, he's got a different keyword, but it's related topic, right? This is a related topic right here, which will give you more. Now, how to make money? Look at this. There's more searches on this, but here you can see all the searches that have been done. Okay, now let's go back, just because now we researched all of that stuff. Let me see. These are our research. Create a domain according to your research. Namecheap. Now, let's put Namecheap. It's so easy. Namecheap. It's a cheap name, right? You put that in your Google Docs. Let's put that in our Google line of fire right there. Namecheap, namecheap.com, right? Now you have Namecheap Domain hosting, right? This is where you can find domain names. Okay, you see I'm logged in. This is my account. But what we want to see is how to train. No, we got to write it together, because it's a domain, right? It's a name. Let's say train dog. What's with my spelling tonight? Train dog. Okay, train dog is not for sale, is it? Nope. Make me an offer, it says, right? Make me an offer. So there was oh my goodness, traindog.net, $6,000, almost 6.5, a little over 6.5. Now you can only imagine how much offer this guy wants. Traindog.com, train.dog, right? Train.dog is still available, not available, but traindog.club is available, that ICU, all that stuff, right? Now, that's a yearly prescription of $1. Where was it? $1.33. That's not, no, $1.83, not too bad, not too bad of a choice. Okay, so once you have your key search, keyword search, you know, you can search everything. This one is free to use. You can unlimited searches. And now let's see, make money. Yeah, let's make money. Oh my goodness, 12 grand. They're not joking around. 7 grand, .club.co. You can only imagine how much you have to offer these guys to buy it. .shop, it's 712. So that, I want you to keep in mind that you search for names. And the reason why it is, I'm going to show you some of my domains that I have. And they really went sideways. And I'd like you to show you why. This one here is going to be expiring pretty soon. Winningstrategies.com. I did not do much research on it because I thought, man, that's got a good flow to it, right? It's got a winning attitude flow to it. No, obviously not. Guess what? This is mostly casino related. This domain name looks very casino-ish. And like, I did not know that, right? Now I have FU Marketing Solution, FU meaning Fernando Unruh, right? Marketing Solution. That's a better one. It brands me as an, if I keep that going. And I also get Fernando. So here you can see how we're going to have a later program where I really show you how to do this program step by step. But I want to show you, this is just initial contact. I'd like you to find the domain name. And then if you click the bell, subscribe to my channel, I will show you the rest of the solutions, right? You're going to have step-by-step systems that where you can implement things. Like this here is as the domain name, and then you give it on advanced DNS. You have, like, yeah, you literally don't have to set anything up other than this. So you have a Bitcoin company, Fernando, that's a different one, Forex. Let's take a look at the Forex. So now if I was to, this is the Forex, it's a redirect URL, that's what we call it. Now, if I was to write down forex.fumarketing.solutions, my website shows up. My Forex marketing trading. Okay, so this is how easy it is. You plug it in and then you connect it to a website. That's how you can create a website, whatever the desire is. So I think I've been on here long enough. It was supposed to be a fast one. Thank you very much for checking the movie out, the video, checking. Please click the bell so I will show you how to progress from here. Like the movie if you liked it. Comment below whatever you like to hear next. And also, just if you have a comment in general, just leave it below. I will then respond to it. I'm usually very fast on responding to it. I love every comment there is. Have a great night. Talk to you tomorrow.